Hello friends and welcome to AKS Tech. So today I am going to show you how you can download and install the latest version of Internet Download Manager, that is version 6.38. But before starting the video, thank you so much friends that due to your support I have crossed 100 subscribers on YouTube and they are increasing day by day, so thank you for that. So now let's start the video. For this latest version, first of all you must go to this Mediafire link and download this zip file. Here you can see that this is the Mediafire link and it is the latest version, which is version 6.38. Just see this is the size 14.32 MB. Just click this download and your downloading will start. Here you can see that my file is downloading. So until the file downloads, if you have not subscribed my channel, subscribe my channel. So friends, now you can see that my file has downloaded. So here it is present on my desktop and it's a zip file, so you must extract it with a good file extractor. I will be using 7-zip here, so I'll just extract it. Here you can see that the file has been extracted. I'll just open it, and here is another folder. Just open it and you will find two items here. One is the patch, that is actually the crack file, and the other one is the Internet Download Manager 6.38 setup. So just open it as an administrator. And before you proceed, let me tell you one thing, that if you have any previous version of Internet Download Manager installed on your computer, you must completely uninstall that first before you install this latest version. So as I have already uninstalled, I'll just proceed and click next and accept this license agreement, next. And here is just the destination folder and a icon for IDM on desktop. So before proceeding, let me tell you that you must remember this destination folder. So here you can see that in my case it is installing in program files version 86, which is the 32-bit version, and in the folder Internet Download Manager. It may be different, so you must remember that. Now click next and then again next, and you can see that now the installation has started. And now you can see that Internet Download Manager has been successfully installed. Just click finish and then it will launch automatically. Here you can see that it has been launched. I'll just click close. So he is asking me for IDM integration module. I'll just click OK, and here you can see that on my browser you can also see that the extension has also been added in Google Chrome. So I'll not add it right now, and here you can see that integration into Microsoft Edge browser is also available. I'll just click OK and I'll close my browser, and there are some folders. Let me close them first. And now you must close Internet Download Manager before patching it. Let me show you that it is not registered. Here you can see that when I will click this registration option, you can see that he is asking me for registration, and then it will require the first name, last name and other serial number. So I'll cancel it, and you must close Internet Download Manager from this taskbar, right click and exit. And now open this patch folder. So in this patch folder you will find two items. One is the 32-bit patch and the other one is the 64-bit patch. So I'll be using the 64-bit patch version, and you must also use this 64-bit patch version. But if it doesn't work for you, then you must go for the 32-bit patch. So it's a zip file, you must extract it first, and it's also password protected. The password is simply 123, and here you can see that it has been extracted. And let me tell you one thing, that most of the antiviruses do not detect this patch as a virus, but if in your case your antivirus blocks it, you must disable your antivirus or you must add it into the exclusions list. Here you can see that it has not detected this as a virus, so I'll just open as an administrator, and then there is nothing more. Just click next, and here you must see that the destination folder must match that destination folder in which you install your Internet Download Manager. Here you can see that my folder is the same, that is program files 32-bit version and Internet Download Manager. Sometimes it's different, that it is going to the 64-bit version and you have installed the program in the 32-bit folder. So you must make sure that it is the same. And now click install, and then some web pages would open, just close them quickly, and another one, and one time more, so close it. And now you can see that it has been patched. Just click finish, and that's all. Let me show you the internet download manager, and this time you can clearly see that there is no registration option. Instead it is showing cracked by, so it has been cracked for lifetime. And that's all. If you still have any query, you can comment below. You can also message me on Instagram, and I'll try to reply you as soon as possible. And if you like the video, subscribe my channel and follow me on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching.